Hello guys, today let's understand what is reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns by interacting with an environment to make a decision and receive feedbacks like rewards or penalties. In this image, you can see that first is an architecture image. In this, we have a raw input data which processed with the help of environment and agent and produce the output. Second image is the example image. Observe the image, I will explain it clearly. Here the dog is the agent. Here the girl with the stick is the environment. The dog runs to fetch the stick is action. The dog sees the girl throwing the stick is observation. The dog gets a treat if it brings the stick back as a reward. So the dog learns if I bring the stick, I get a treat. So next time it will do it even better. In reinforcement learning, we have two major types based on feedback type and based on environmental interaction. Reinforcement learning based on feedback type are two types, positive and negative. In this, if the action is success, we get a reward. If the action is mistake, we get a penalty. In this example, you can see if the AI moves and wins, it get a reward, else it get a penalty. Reinforcement learning based on environmental interaction, we have two types, model-based and model-free. Model-based reinforcement learning which figure out the rules and then decide what to do next. In model free, we have to learn by trial and error. No need to know the rules. Example image, you can see that the robot in model based, the robot builds a map of the maze and plans the path before moving. In model free, the robot explores the maze by trial and error, remembering which path works better. In model free, we have three types, value based, example Q learning. In this image, a kid learns which vending machine button gives the best snacks by trying each and remembering the best one. In policy based example reinforcement, an archer improves the aim by adjusting how they shot based on how close the arrow hits the target. Next is actor critic. In this, a person learns to walk on a balance beam. Their body moves, which is actor. Their mind judges the balance, which is critic, and both improves together. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to TJ Infinite Learning Hub.